AI is like having an army of assistants working 24/7 without complaining or taking breaks. In my previous video, I promised I will be teaching you how to build your business online using AI. Let me break it down for you. AI can write content, design websites, and even predict what your customers want before they do. Sounds amazing, right? Here's where it gets fun. What kind of business suits you? Don't worry, if you can't figure that out, I've got ideas to spark your creativity. Do you love recommending products? Start an affiliate marketing business and let AI write engaging reviews for you. Are you a gamer or a content creator? Use AI to edit videos, design graphics, or even script your next viral post. Want a hands-off business? AI can help you run a dropshipping store without breaking a sweat. Now, let's set up a shop with AI. Setting up an online business is as easy as following a recipe. Here's what you need. Step 1. Use Wix or Shopify's AI assistant to build your website in minutes. Step 2. Automate content creation with Jasper or Copy.ai. Imagine writing 10 blogs in few seconds. Step 3. Integrate customer support chatbots like ChatGPT API to handle questions 24/7. So this is how to create the website. Head on to wix.com and click on Set up without chat. Step 2. Select the type of website you want to create and click on Continue. Step 3. Enter your business name and click Continue. Step 4. Click on Design Site. Click on Generate a Design and your website will start loading like this. Now copy the link to your website and share with. Look at this. In under 10 minutes, I have a professional looking website ready to start generating income. AI just saved me hours of work. Once you set up your business, it's time to scale it. And guess what? AI makes this part even easier. Use Google Analytics or ChatGPT to analyze customer data and improve your strategies. Schedule and optimize social media posts with tools like Qsuite, AI Assistant. Automate upselling and cross-selling with recommendation engines like those on Shopify. Now, for the best part, making it passive. AI allows you to set up systems that work while you sleep. Here's how to make it happen. 1. Automate content updates and product fulfillment. 2. Create evergreen content that stays relevant for years. 3. Use AI to build a subscription model or recurring revenue stream. Picture this. You wake up, check your phone, and see you've made money overnight. That's the power of passive income with AI. If you are ready to build a business that works for you, now's the time to start. AI is changing the game and you don't want to be left behind. If this video gave you even one idea, smash the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment. I can't wait to see what you build. See you in the next video.